Hey MD, so imagine waking up tomorrow and your body just stops aging. No more grey hair, no wrinkles, your cells stay young forever. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the thing, if humans actually stopped aging, the world would change in ways you might not expect.
First, let's talk about what aging actually is.
Your cells have these things called telomeres. Think of them like the plastic tips on shoelaces. Every time a cell divides, those tips get shorter. Eventually, the shoelace frays. The cell can't divide properly anymore. And that's aging. If we stopped this process, your cells would keep dividing perfectly. Forever.
Now MD, here's where it gets really interesting.
If nobody dies of old age anymore, but people keep having babies, the population would explode. We're talking billions more people within just a few generations. Earth's resources, food, water, space, they're already stretched thin. Imagine trying to feed, house, and provide for potentially hundreds of billions of people who never leave.
But there's something even weirder.
Progress in society happens because generations change. New ideas replace old ones. Fresh perspectives challenge outdated thinking. If the same people stayed in power for centuries, the same politicians, the same CEOs, the same professors, would innovation just stop? Would we get stuck with the values and beliefs of people from hundreds of years ago?
And here's the part nobody talks about.
What would it do to your mind? Right now we make the most of life because it's limited. Deadlines push us to act. Mortality gives life meaning. If you had literally forever, would you keep learning, creating, loving with the same passion? Or would centuries blur together into meaningless repetition?
So scientists are actually working on extending
Lifespan, but not stopping aging completely. The goal isn't immortality, it's health span. Living longer, yes, but staying healthy and active during those extra years. Because what's the point of living to 200 if you're sick for half of it? It's about quality, not just quantity. So MD, stopping aging completely? It would solve some problems, but create massive new ones. Overpopulation, stagnation, even existential boredom. Maybe the real question isn't how to live forever, but how to make the time we have truly matter. Great job following along, MD. Pretty wild to think about, right?